What if I told you the universe is stranger than any science fiction story you've ever heard? Up there, just a few dozen kilometers above us, stretches a reality so vast and so bizarre that the human brain can barely comprehend it. Stars within stars. Planets made of diamonds, black holes smaller than atoms, and others so large they could swallow our entire solar system. The cosmos is not empty, it's filled with wonders and nightmares beyond imagination. Tonight, we'll explore them together. From Earth itself to the edge of time, you'll discover amazing space facts you've never heard before. Are you ready? Let's begin. Planets and moons. You've seen photos of Earth from space, a beautiful blue sphere. But here's the truth. Earth isn't perfectly round. It bulges at the equator, squashed slightly by its own rotation. The difference? About 41 kilometers, enough to dwarf Mount Everest twice over. Now, think about Venus. A single day there lasts longer than an entire year. Imagine waiting months just to see the sunset. Could humans even survive such endless light and darkness? On Mars, the largest volcano in the solar system towers over the red landscape. Olympus Mons is nearly 3 times taller than Everest. If you stood at its base, the peak would vanish beyond the horizon. And yet, Mars has more than mountains. Its thin atmosphere gives its sunsets painted blue, not red. Yes, the red planet has blue sunsets. Then there's Saturn. You know its rings, those glowing halos of ice and dust. But here's the shocking part. They're vanishing. In about 100 million years, Saturn's rings will be gone forever. If humans are still around, will anyone miss them? At Neptune, winds scream faster than the speed of sound, shredding clouds at over 1,200 miles per hour. Standing in one of these storms would be like facing an invisible wall of knives. But some of the strangest worlds orbit not stars, but emptiness. They're called rogue planets, giant, homeless spheres drifting through interstellar darkness, with no sunrise and no seasons, forever wandering. And let's not forget moons. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, hides a secret, a vast underground ocean, possibly deeper than all Earth's oceans combined. Could alien life already be swimming in that black abyss? On Titan, Saturn's largest moon, methane rains from orange skies into rivers and lakes. Imagine standing on a shore where gasoline falls from the sky. And then there's Ganymede, larger than Mercury itself, proving that moons can rival planets. Even our own moon is slipping away. Every year, it drifts farther, centimeter by centimeter. One day, eclipses, those breathtaking cosmic alignments, will vanish forever. Which of these alien worlds would you dare to visit first? Stars and the sun. Now, it's turned to the true engines of the universe, stars. The sun dominates our solar system, containing 99.85% of its mass. Yet compared to the monsters out there, our star is ordinary. A teaspoon of matter from a neutron star would weigh 1 billion tons. Imagine trying to hold Mount Everest in your hand. Some stars, like Uiscuti, are so vast that more than 1,700 suns could fit inside them. Others are tiny but terrifying. Magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields so powerful they could erase every credit card on Earth instantly. And then there are pulsars spinning hundreds of times per second, shooting beams of energy like cosmic lighthouses. Stars don't just shine, they live, they burn, and then they die. When a massive star dies, it goes supernova, an explosion so bright it outshines entire galaxies. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star explode brighter than the full moon. When two neutron stars collide, they forge gold, platinum, and other heavy elements. The ring on your finger, it was born in a cosmic collision billions of years ago. Look at Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in Orion. One day soon, tomorrow, a million years from now, will explode in a dazzling supernova. When it does, the night sky will never look the same. Do stars really die, or do they simply change into something new? Galaxies and black holes. Our home, the Milky Way, is a spiral city of 400 billion stars, yet it's only one among trillions. But it has a destiny. The Andromeda Galaxy is rushing toward us. In 4 billion years, the two will collide, merging into one titanic new galaxy. The night sky will glow with billions of stars colliding in slow motion. At the heart of most galaxies lie monsters, black holes. The one in our Milky Way, Sagittarius A, weighs 4 million suns. Fall into it, and time itself slows to a crawl. Black holes aren't just destroyers, some fire jets of energy thousands of light years long, sculpting entire galaxies. Even brighter are quasars, powered by ravenous black holes, shining with the energy of trillions of suns. But galaxies don't float randomly. They weave into a cosmic web, filaments stretching across space like the neurons of a brain. Between them, vast voids, expanses of nothing, billions of light years wide. If the universe looks like a brain, could it actually be alive? Exoplanet and cosmic oddities. Astronomers now know there are more planets than stars. Think about that. Every point of light in the night sky may hide entire alien worlds. Some are hot Jupiters, gas giants so close to their stars that their atmospheres boil away. Others are super-Earth's rocky giants, possibly with continents and oceans, but far stranger than home. Some orbit two stars, like Tatooine in Star Wars. Others wander in eternal darkness, cut off from any sun. The TRAPPIST-1 system holds 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 in the habitable zone. Could this be the best chance for alien life? And then come the nightmare worlds. On WASP-76b, it literally rains molten iron. On 55 Cancri, the crust may be diamond. On others, oceans of lava stretch endlessly beneath black skies. And strangest of all, some planets are so light, so puffy, that they're less dense than cotton candy. Imagine trying to stand on one, your foot might sink straight through. If there are more planets than stars, How many Earths could be waiting out there? Cosmic time and the fate of the universe. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, and the observable part stretches 93 billion light years across. But what lies beyond that horizon? Looking deep into space is looking back in time. The light from distant galaxies left them billions of years ago, when the cosmos was young. But what about the future? One possibility is the heat death. Stars fade, galaxies dissolve, and even black holes evaporate. In the end, only darkness remains. Another is the Big Crunch, where everything collapses back into a single, blazing point. Or perhaps the Big Rip, where dark energy tears space itself apart. And maybe, just maybe, our universe is one bubble among countless others, an infinite multiverse where new realities are born every second. If the universe ends, does something new begin? Final reflection. We've traveled from Earth's mountains to the edges of time, from storms on Neptune to the birth of stars, from black holes to entire universes colliding. Every fact is stranger than the last. But in all this immensity, one truth remains. You are here, small, fragile, but capable of wondering. Maybe curiosity itself is the greatest force in the cosmos. Subscribe if you're one of those who still wonders about the universe.